This creamy spaghetti is packed with incredible flavor. Finally chop one red onion. Red onion gives it a much better flavor. Cut the mushrooms in half, then slice them up. Slice one chicken breast into thin cubes. Fresh tomatoes just don't give the same depth of flavor, so soak 100 grams of sun-dried tomatoes in hot water. After 15 minutes, blend the sun-dried tomatoes with their soaking liquid, 3 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of cream cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil until smooth and creamy. Quick break! These are some of the latest videos on the channel. I should say, definitely check them out. Now, let's get back to the spaghetti. Give the onion a quick saute in a bit of oil until it softens slightly. Add the chicken breast and season it with paprika, black pepper, salt, and oregano. Once the chicken is cooked through, toss in the mushrooms and saute everything together until well combined. Pour in the sauce and mix everything well. Season the boiling water generously, it should taste like seawater. Then cook the spaghetti about 2 minutes less than the package instructions. Before draining, reserve a cup of pasta water. Now pour the pasta water into the sauce. We are almost done. Now add the drained spaghetti. Toss everything together until the pasta is fully coated in the sauce. Quick tip: a quick cold rinse after draining keeps the spaghetti from going mushy or overcooked. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, while it's still hot, finish it with lots of freshly grated Parmesan and enjoy!